In the last class, we actually saw how we can add heading to our document. In this lecture, we're going to see how we can actually add paragraph to this particular document. So let's get straight to our code editor. So to actually add a paragraph to your HTML document, you use what we call the P tag. The P tag actually stands for paragraph. Just the same way we've been working with other tags, we're going to have our less than sign, our P, our greater than sign, then our content is going to come in between before this closing tag. I'm just going to import some lines of text here. So I just did about 30 words now. So basically this is how I actually like structuring my code. I like putting the opening tag. Then if I'm going to have more than one line of document, I like breaking it down while I have my closing tag at the bottom, so that I just have my content in between the opening tag and the closing tag. So if I should save my work and head straight to the browser. So currently now you can see my paragraph displaying here now. So I have the heading, welcome on board, and I also have my paragraph here.